Hello everybody, good morning. Welcome back to another episode of Junk Wagon Productions. Today we got an episode on changing truck tires. I'll show you two different ways to do it. It's not too bad, and obviously we have got a pile to do today. So hang out and we'll give you a little bit of instruction, maybe save some of you a headache along the line. Thanks for joining. Alright, I'm just going to give you a rundown on what tools I happen to use. You need your wrenches, change your valve stems, your regular valve stem remover, pressure gauge. Big fan of a hammer, rubber end on it, so messing with aluminum wheels, you don't ding a wheel, don't look very professional. I always need your air can, 1-inch air gun, your golden bar, which in my opinion is always worth its weight in gold, 20-ton jack, also your bucket of elephant love sauce, always in need of a slippery goo for this kind of fun. And pretty much always got to have your bars. I'm going to show you the way to do it with the bars, the way to do it with the golden bar, which is my always way, but I'll also show you the bar technique. So hang out, we'll get some tires off, show you that. Now we're going to get under here and jack this thing up. Always remember, you don't want too much height in between your tires and the ground, because you're going to have a fight getting the tires off and get them back on. About an inch off the ground most is pretty easy to get the tires off, but anything more than that, you're going to be fighting against yourself. So let's get it up, and then we'll get the wheels off. Something else I'm going to show on this one, purely because the last shot that messed this trailer over tightened the lug studs to probably somewhere around 600 to 800 foot-pounds. My line on a reel does not take off, 700 to 800 foot-pound lug nuts. So I have this special little tool, quite simple. All it is a gear reducer. Pretty much crank on the wheel till you hear popping noises. Golly, over tight. Not the greatest way. Torque spec between 450 and 500. There's no need to get excited with. Well, now that we're out of breath, run that gear reducer all around 10 of them. Let me show you how they're supposed to come off. All right, let's get to it. Okay, now we got the wheels off. Let's take the valve core out, which is covered in a slight amount of dirt. All you gotta do, push the center of the valve core. It'll blow all the trash out on its own, like so. Now we're getting cleaned out. Now let's pull them out, get them down to no pounds, and let's get these wheels knocked off their beads. Alright, now I'm going to show you both ways of changing the tires, show you how to knock it off the bead. I'm going to change valve stems as I go, and show you how to grease it up with the elephant love juice. This way I'm going to show you the golden bar. step on it, get it to knock down. Bring it back. Let it catch the back bead. Off it across again. Then when seating the tire, grease this bead, get it on, grease that bead. And then get stuff on it. Rubber hammer, hit the bead, throw some weight on it, and she'll go right on. Like so. Bring it up the other side, working on with the mower. As you can see, I forgot to put a valve stem in it. I got that while I was off cam. Now, these tires have been sitting on the bottom of the stack for some time, so I'm gonna have to hit it with air through the valve stem and hit it with the air can. Maybe it's first time, but time to see. Like that. Okay, now I'm going to show you the other style of changing a tire. It takes two long blowers to put out there. Usually stop, stick them against the wheel about a foot apart. Slide them in. And you put pressure on them. Then what you want to do is step here to give yourself a little bit of room. Pull it out. Catch this bead here. And there, you're off. Bar out, then you upright, catch the bead, and you kind of work it in a circle so that the tire falls off. Pretty much, that's the simplicity of changing a commercial tire. Only a couple other tips and tricks before I let you go. Always, when you're putting on new valve stems, always check your valve core. Use water spray. These are usually loose, and then spray around this one. Save you the drive back. Before putting them back on, always take your rag, or if you wear gloves like me, you can see what come off of there just now. It's dirt, dust. That gets in between a wheel or a rock. Could loosen up, cause you more headaches. And when putting them back on, always use a torque wrench. Never hurts. 475 is what I use. It's somewhere between 450 and 500 is what the torque spec is. Go around them, never hurts. So, more or less, thank you for watching today, and we'll catch back up with you next time.